my friends, Cyanide here, and today we're going to do a bit of work on the shop truck, the rat rod. Today is a special day. Today I'm going to finally weld this body onto the chassis here. So I will put the doors on. Well, actually I'll clean off some of this paint here, put the doors on, get everything set, and we'll weld it on, and then I'll cut about 5mm off the bottom of the body, which I purposely left on there whilst mocking up. That'll give it clearance. I'm about to run out of batteries on this, so I'll make it quick, but it is hot as a motherfucker here today. So, and my workshop has no climate control, so you know it's 30 degrees C, that's 86 Fahrenheit for people that use that system. So real hot, and my body doesn't cope too well with the heat after all that cancer treatment for some reason. So I'm going to get out this and do this as quickly as possible before it gets too hot in the afternoon. Then what I think I'm going to do, come inside and hide the radiator. Shell needs a radiator in it, so I'm thinking I'm going to try and mill a fake radiator in wood, just mill some texturing and all that sort of thing, and spray paint it matte black or grey or whatever. And yeah, I'll do that this afternoon because it's way too hot to be out there in that shed. It's killer, man. Anyway, let's get on for it. I'll get this out there now, get the camera set up for time lapse, and we're going to put this thing together. It's going to be awesome. Alright, let's get on for it. So there you go, man. It's finally got the body welded on. I'll try and get the camera down. Right down there, she's low. Well, that's good. Everything's pretty straight. It's about 6mm off the ground, I expect. I took this out I took the steering wheel out to make it easier to you know, get the gun in there when I was welding, and I couldn't get it back in, of course, because the rod was too long, so I had to cut that shorter to force it in, but it's okay, it's in there, so it's not the end of the world. Oh boy, it's hot, man. Holy shit, I'm sweating bullets. I'm so glad I'm finished. I really need to get inside to where it's cooler, but here's a little look at that, both sides. In case you're wondering, I'm not too worried about the gap here, the gaps in the doors. I've seen pictures of real rat rods with much larger gaps than that in them, so I'm not too worried about it, you know, mismatched parts and all that sort of thing. It's a part of the it's a part of what it is. So the door, all good. So yeah, I'm right happy with that. Whew, holy heck. I think I might have to go for a swim with the dog and paddling pool, actually. Here's that little wood roof I made out of ice block sticks that I stained with fused car oil. So that's what it looks like with the wood roof on. Can go either way, with or without roof. So next will be, I think, doing the next we'll be putting this radiator in, shower and that sort of thing. But that's enough for this video. I'm cooking bros, and this camera's real hot too, it's struggling, so, but yeah, this is pretty neatos. Alright guys, well cheers for watching, and I hope you're excited as I am to see this all welded up. It's been a long time coming, but what I did basically, a few spots along here, a couple underneath, and on the inside, I don't know, you probably can't see it actually. Yeah, nah, just down there, see that? So what I was doing is I was holding the copper little piece of copper sheet on this side to take the heat, so this didn't distort too much, and then I gave it little taps with the hammer to help it relax back out so it didn't pull in too much and get this weird dishing effect that you can get when you weld. It's turned out pretty good. Anyway, cheers for watching guys, and we will see you on the next one.